Hi guys, welcome back to CantoHousewife. It's another cozy craft days here and we're gonna unbox and test out the Caydo Fused Beads Set. If you grew up with Fused Bead, this one is going to bring back a lot of childhood memory. Let's dive in. Okay, first impression, the box is packed. You get everything you need from this kit. Instruction menu with the patterns, over 10,000 beads with 36 different colors. I like that it's already sorted, so no digging through a rainbow pile. You can hook it on your pickboard for easy organization. It comes with ironing paper and 2 pickboards that you can connect to make a bigger size, 3 trays to sort out different beads color, the iron with the power cable that have an on and off button, and an organizer with tweezers and accessories. This is everything that came out of the box. First of all, you can download the Caydo app with your app store. There are many fused bead patterns that you can use and download. It's all color coded, so you just have to match it with the box. It's pretty convenient and you can print it out or use it directly on your phone. Okay, I'm starting with a simple 2D design first. You can find a ton of pattern online or make your own, like the Mickey and Minnie, the Cars collection for my kids, Sanrio like Little Twin Stars, My Melody, the Toy Story collection from Disney, Monster Inc., Pokémon, and a lot of food items. It's very easy to make. You just follow your pattern and put the beads on the pickboard accordingly. Preheat your iron for about 2 to 3 minutes until it gets hot. You just plug it in and turn it on. There's no temperature setting. When it's ready, I cover the design with ironing paper and gently iron it for about 10 to 20 seconds. Then I remove it from the pickboard and iron the other side. We had a date night and my husband made a BMW logo. Now we're gonna move on to something trickier, the 3D alien from Toy Story. This one is a few layers that you fuse separately and then we stick together with the pig. When it's built, it actually stands on its own. Super cute. Alright, that's it for today's video. Hope you liked the content. Make sure you subscribe and check out our other playlists. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!